आज 5 सिंगल गाइज विल रेस टू डेट सौंदर्या। सौंदर्या पूछेगी सवाल, कुछ फ्लर्टी,
They will say like you can't do intimacy with a guy or something.
थोड़े डीप एंड बहुत स्पाइसी।
and are really naked that time.
जब आप पसंद आया, दे स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, अगर नहीं, दे वेट। इट्स अ रेस फॉर लव, लेकिन सिर्फ एक क्रॉस करेगा फिनिश लाइन। दिस इज डेट और वेट।
Hi guys, मैं हूँ सौंदर्या and I'm a model and a content creator.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Impress तो सब लड़के कर लेंगे, but दिल जीतना it's not that easy. Let's see if the 5 boys can impress me और उनको करना पड़ेगा wait. I'm looking for a guy who's sportive, adventurous and also emotionally available. So देखते हैं कि if I will be able to find the date today.
Hi guys, this is Jatin Pratap Singh, Dilwalo ke Dilli se.
I'm Gurnoor, I'm 6 feet and I'm from Mumbai.
एक मैं और एक तू है और
I'm not picky, I'm low maintenance and I'm easygoing.
Hi, my name is Chris John. I'm from Pune City. I'm a fitness model, a fitness athlete, and if you talk about the hobbies, I am a rapper.
Hi, my name is Chandrasekhar Rajput and I'm from Mumbai. By profession, I'm a live singer. And by nature, I am little ambivert. क्योंकि अगर किसी के साथ मेरी vibe match कर जाती है ना तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करता हूँ.
So my name is Mayur Gautam and I'm from cleanest city of India. Yeah, you guessed it right, Indore. And I'm a professional model. And fun thing about me, I love to ride my bike. It's like sometimes I get the thought of killing myself with my bike. So it's not a funny thing, but still.
Hi girl.
Hello.
She's beautiful.
You look cute.
Thank you so much. You all look good.
Thank
I
you.
love your dressing, all of you.
I've got a question for you.
Yes.
Should you split on a date or should the man pay?
Okay, interesting question. If he's asked me on a date, the bill is on him. If I've asked the guy on the date, it's on me.
Correct.
So that's my rule.
What if कि डेट को अगर हम इंटरनेशनली ले जाएं कहीं अच्छी अलग कंट्री में,
Wow. मेरा डेट बनोगे तो आप मुझे वियतनाम लेके
जैसा
जाओगे.
आपको सही लगे.
Please record this
Obviously.
twice. Okay, tell me the most wildest and craziest and weirdest stuff that you have done in your life.
So basically I was in Thailand, तो मैं पटाया की स्ट्रीट से चल रहा था, तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है कि लड़कियाँ आती हैं और लड़कियाँ आके ना मुझे पकड़ लेती हैं.
लड़की आती है क्या?
लड़कियाँ आती हैं, लड़कियाँ लड़के भी बन के आती हैं, हर तरीके से आ जाती हैं. तो मेरे लिए वो वियर्ड इसलिए था क्योंकि उन्होंने ना बहुत इनएप्रोप्रिएट टच किया, तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया था. कहाँ?
झूठ बोल रही है. ये झूठ बोल रहा है.
So mine was, we were in a Goa last year I think. The beach story है. अंजुना बीच है. वहाँ पर हम लोग शेक में थे, मेरी फ्रेंड और मैं. And we were drunk थोड़ा सा. और शेक खाली था, रात का है ये. रात को बीच था, so beautiful. तो रात का था. And हम लोग ये don't make a fun.
आप क्या अपने सर में मजे ले रहे हो क्या बोलते बोलते?
I know.
तो वो पल याद आ गया.
The thing is, we were doing it ना shack. हम लोग shack में थे. And I was naked. I was.
Okay.
And वो थोड़ा सा
ये
कपड़े
देखो
में था.
इनके चेहरे देखो ऐसे
Hey, don't imagine.
फुल
it.
शॉक में ये
lot of
चार
storytelling,
तो-
yeah.
Imagine it. So shack की जो ओनर थी
जी
वो एकदम से
आ
सडन
गई
बीच में आ
आपके
गए
पास?
हैं एंड शी वाज स्टार्टिंग शाउटिंग और मैं वहाँ पे बिना कपड़ों के था एंड
वो
मैं
तो आंटी ने आपको देख लिया.
हाँ शी वाज एडमायरिंग
Oh
मी
my God.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Baby, come here.
ये अपनी इज्जत दे रहा
admiring
है.
him.
ले आओ, मैं बचा रहा था, ये दे रहा है, ले लो, सब ले लो.
Nice. I like the
peach.
story. Mayur, I really liked your story, so I would go with a date.
थैंक यू
Yeah, Chandrasekhar, right? Chandrasekhar, I would ask you to wait for this round. And
Jatin.
Jatin, I would like you to wait for this round. And
Gurnoor.
Gurnoor, I would like you to step forward. It's a date.
Thank you.
And Chris, even though your answer was not that interesting, but then you were making like nice vibe with everybody and everything, so I would like you to date. So please step forward.
Thank you so much.
So boys, I'll give you a hypothetical situation where I'm at a house party and I'm single, okay, and you're all single. So you have to come approach me and you'll just have like 30 to 40 seconds because I'm leaving the party. But this is the end and you want to come and approach me, so that, how would you do it? In a very cringiest way, huh?
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Gurnoor.
Saundarya, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Tell me something that I don't know.
Yeah, like, would you like to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But you just have 5 minutes because I'm running
it
late.
just
Yeah.
takes a second. So, what is it? I think this is for you.
Certified cutie, guys. This is so good.
Yeah, you can write your number on the back side.
Just give me the pen. Do you? He's got a pen.
You can keep my driving license. You can contact me there.
लास्ट में
Sure, sure.
ठीक है
Okay, bye.
हाय
Hello.
आप जा रहे हो?
जी.
I have a surprise. मैं उसके लिए वेट कर
Who
रहा
are you?
था। शेखर।
Shaker.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me a moment.
Okay.
गुड वन भाई गुड वन
Oh my god. This is so good.
Will you wait?
Yes.
Wait. Hi, wait. My other side.
Hi.
Your name?
Saundarya.
Are you leaving?
Yes, I'm heading out.
Then just leave with me.
Oh no. I just have.
I thought we don't go.
No, I don't want to go.
Do you have after party scene?
No, this was my after party. I have to leave from here.
At 10.
Yeah,
Just
it's
at
10. Yeah, I live with my parents, so I need to go back
not coming
home.
with me?
I have a curfew at 10. No, I don't want to come with you.
My heart, yaar. Fuck. Okay, that was rude, but okay.
No,
It was.
No, I was not. You was like, come with me. What is that?
You don't like to come with me. Would you like to come with me?
पहले से danger.
Yeah, this was very, dominating.
I am dominating, but not like
Chalo,
that.
I'm getting dead. I'll never see you again.
Hold. Hello.
Yes?
Hi, my name is Chris.
Saundarya
You know your
here.
name? Saundarya?
Yeah.
It's been a long time seeing you from there. You're shivering so much. I just wanted to give you my jacket.
Oh,
if
that's
you-
really very
yeah,
sweet of
please
you.
take my jacket. You can keep it with you. How are you feeling now? Better?
Yeah, I'm feeling better. I was actually freezing though.
So you're alone?
No, I have my friends over here.
You want me to drop you out? or what?
No, that's totally fine. I'm just anyways doing. But thank you so much for the sweet gesture.
Can I
like
take
this.
your phone number if you don't mind?
Yeah, sure. I'll just give your jacket back.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
हाय
Some later. Hi.
दिस इज जतन
Saundarya, nice to meet you.
नाइस टू मीट यू टू मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा लेट हो रहे हो
जी, मेरे को अभी जाना है.
मुझे कुछ कहना था आपसे
बोलिए.
मतलब जब मैंने आपको फर्स्ट टाइम देखा तो लाइक मैं हिल गया एंड मेरे को सबसे अच्छी चीज़ आपकी ये लगी कि आपका जो ड्रेसिंग सेंस है ना तो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करता है
Thank you so
एंड
much.
सेकेंडली आपकी हाइट
Thank you.
तो मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको अच्छा लगे
जी.
तो क्या हम बात कर सकते हैं आगे
अभी तो मुझे जाना है तो
कोई बात नहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे कर लेंगे
हाँ आप फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए मुझे इंस्टाग्राम
Also
पे.
good
मैं
name.
मिल जाऊंगी आपको.
उससे गुड नेम फुल
मुझे जाना है मेरे को बहुत लेट हो रही है. आई एम सो सॉरी जस्ट फाइंड मी आस्क एनीबडी यू वांट बाय सिंस आई हैव टू चूज लेट्स गो विद मयूर. मयूर, you were amazing. Like I really liked your performance. So I'd like you to wait. Okay. Chandrasekhar, now I know your name really well. You blew my mind with that performance, and I really have a soft corner for like magicians. So I would like you to come here, but then you could take a single step forward. Thank you. And Jatin. So you were very sweet. Your tone was very subtle. So I like the way you approached me. So I like you to come forward. It's a date. And the magic trick, it was very nice, impressive. So you can take a step forward. It's a date. And Chris, really heartwarming gesture. Even though your intention was to ask my number, it's a date.
Thank you so much.
How many times have you guys cheated?
None.
What about you? No? Zero?
None.
You have?
Yep.
Once? Twice?
Twice.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay. No?
With that resort auntie only.
No.
Huh? No, not at all? कभी नहीं किया आपने?
मेरे साथ हुआ है.
Okay. I'm sorry. So you told me that you have cheated twice. So
Yeah.
can I know why? What was the reason?
Actually, we weren't dating that time, but situationship kind of thing.
Okay.
We were seeing each other, but I was drunk and I cheated.
Twice?
Yep.
You drank to cheat or you wanted to cheat?
I don't have an answer for that, but I cheated. That's all.
I'd rather like break the relationship than to cheat. वैसा है।
कि इसमें क्या ही है, इसको ब्रेक करते हो दूसरी
नहीं,
मिल
अगर
जाएगी।
देखो अगर कभी ऐसा लग रहा है that I want मुझे ये जरूरी है चीट करना, तो मैं क्यों किसी का दिल तोड़ूं?
I'm up for it because that's how I think.
Yeah. If
it's
somebody
very
has
easy.
to cheat, they
If I
will.
like somebody else, I will just break up and move on rather than cheating
वही।
and finding out. So you wouldn't, I guess, because you have all been in a relationship for 8 years, right?
No, but I cheated.
You cheated?
Yes.
Pan the camera.
कैमरा के सामने मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूं कि I was a
How
nice
many
guy, I
times
didn't cheat.
do you have a number like for the count that how many times you've cheated?
I don't think so. I shouldn't share that here.
Okay, it's like in double digit
Yeah,
or triple.
double.
Double digit, more than 10. Okay, with the same person or what? I mean, with
No, with
different
three.
people or with the
Yeah, with
same
the
person?
different
Okay, nice, cool. You're honest about it. So.
Yes.
So Mayur, you were very honest, and I really like that. So I would like you to come forward. It's a date, and about someone who got cheated. I'm so sorry to say that out loud. You have not cheated, right? Okay. I have a little confusion about that. That you might have cheated, but you have not told.
No. Definitely.
That's what I
मैं कैमरा के सामने झूठ नहीं बोलता।
That's what. कैमरा के सामने ही झूठ बोलते हैं लोग.
But मैं नहीं बोलता।
Okay, so, but I have a little bit of confusion. Cheating can be through text as well. So I would like you to wait. Okay. And about you, what's your name again?
जतन
Jatin. Jatin, I would like you to wait for this round. And Gurveer. Gurnur. Gurnur has the same mentality that I have about dating and cheating. So please step forward. It's a date. I just genuinely felt that he's brutally honest for dating in cheating with double digits. So please step forward.
Thank you so much.
Yes. अभी हम लोग डेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और मुझे जाना है थाईलैंड की ट्रिप में मेरे बॉयज फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो मैं अकेली लड़की हूँ, उनका एक्सप्रेशन देखिए. ओके, सो आप लोग कैसे इस सिचुएशन को डील करोगे? वी आर डेटिंग.
मेरे को छोड़ के
खुद जा रहा ही है।
अब साथ जा सकते हो ना, वही ऑप्शन है मेरे पास.
नहीं जाऊंगी मैं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाऊंगी. नहीं, आप आपके नीज पे हो अभी, तो मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं जाऊंगी. आप चलो साथ में, चलो चलो. बस इतना हो गया, इतना ड्रामा ठीक है मेरे लिए. वो maybe you know what, I'm going to Thailand with my boyfriends. They're not like friends who are boys,
Okay.
but I'm the only girl. Is it okay?
Can I join you guys for a Thailand trip?
Do you think I'm going to sleep with the boys in Thailand?
If you are dating, if we
They're
are,
just my friends, like just
Okay.
platonic friends.
if you are dating, अगर मुझे trust है, तभी हम date कर रहे
जी.
हैं. And you can go with your boyfriend,
Okay.
and I trust you for that.
So I can go?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I am, cause I trust my
I
girl.
was not expecting for that.
I trust my girl.
Oh, that's amazing.
गलेबल है
What?
Gullible, listens, yaar. This picture has come out so cute. Can I just upload it on Instagram?
It is cute, but I don't think हमें post करना चाहिए.
Q.
Don't you love me?
I do.
You
But
have
I
to
want, if you love me, I need to post this on
I
Instagram.
already posted on my spam account.
But this is actually very cute.
But I
it is a
don't-
little sensual, but yeah, but then I can still post it on my Instagram,
You
right?
know our relatives follow us now.
तो ये हम नहीं कर सकते पोस्ट.
यार ये हमारे लिए पिक्चर है ना, तो हम हमें रखने दो. चलेगा?
चलेगा.
आइसक्रीम खाने जाना है?
ये पिक्चर कितना क्यूट आया है यार.
Wait, let me put some music first. हाँ, what you were saying?
Oh my god.
What you were saying,
I
tell
was
me.
not saying anything. Please walk the freak out.
I wasn't ready
You know
for
what,
it.
you know
nah.
what?
No, I wasn't ready for
I'm
it.
done with this relationship already. Break up. You don't listen to. I'm deleting this photo. Delete. Even from recently, delete.
अच्छा, ये जो तुम्हारा एक्स है ना, इसको ब्लॉक कर दो ना।
नहीं यार, हम लोग मतलब बहुत क्लोज थे पहले. अभी हम लोग ना फ्रेंड्स हैं.
पहले क्लोज थे,
हाँ.
अभी कौन है?
अभी तो आप हो, फिर
तो?
भी ब्लॉक मारना गलत हो
अच्छा ये
जाएगा.
बताओ, वो मैटर करता है या मैं मैटर करता हूँ?
आप मैटर करते हो.
फिर
नहीं हो पाएगा. अभी आप बोलोगे एक्स को करो, कल जाके बोलो उसको करो, इसको करो, तो
नहीं,
मुझे
नहीं,
सारा
सिर्फ
टाइम
एक्स को करो.
ब्लॉक करते रहना पड़ेगा
एक्स
सबको.
करो, क्रॉस करो लाइफ से,
मैंने कर दिया है ना, इसकी वजह से मैं आपके साथ हूँ
लाइफ
अभी.
से?
लाइफ से भी कर लिया.
इंस्टाग्राम से.
अरे वो तो सोशल मीडिया है, उसमें क्या ही. सो मयूर जी, मुझे आपके जैसा बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए जो मुझे ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट करे, ठीक है? तो इसके वजह से प्लीज स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. इट्स अ डेट. वेरी स्वीट. क्यों हंस रहा है? और चंद्रशेखर जी, आप बहुत स्वीटली कॉन्वर्सेट किया मेरे साथ आपने, तो मुझे करना ही पड़ा ब्लॉग. तो आ जाइए, इट्स डेट. और आप तो भाई क्या ही कर दिया आपने, ये ड्रामा इट जस्ट वेंट टू माई हेड. तो इट्स अ डेट, सो प्लीज स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. क्रिस जी आप ना उधर ही रहो, बिल्कुल भी उधर से हिलो मत, ठीक है? वहीं पे रहिए लास्ट तक. आई वुड लाइक टू have another crazy round, and after that I might just take a decision based on that. So this will be the last round. So I'll be the pole. You can't touch me, but you have to impress me and dance. Is that okay with you guys? Yes. Please be the dancer.
बैक तो देखो लगता है जैसे कदे पूछी नहीं किसने पुत्र कैदा गिटार
आज क्यों रही हो?
मैं पोल हूँ.
गिलास डेली एक मैं पीऊं ओदे नाल जी प्रोटीन वाला शेक भी पी
Genuinely saying, I loved today's day. It was so nice with you, but I'll have to choose a date. तो जिसका डांस बहुत बहुत खराब था, but overall I just felt like हम लोग बहुत compatible है. तो I would go with Gurnur. Please step forward. Yeah.
तो चले into it.
रिमेंबर माय फर्स्ट
रुक
लाइन
रुक 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 चल जा
If you like the video, let us know in the comment section.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Filter Copy
Candid.
चलो